A well-built custom app can provide a cohesive environment for any organization to grow. It can help the organization to provide the services and share information across all the stakeholders. Teams app can be bot, tab, message extension, team extension, webhooks, connector, or any combinations of these. We can build custom apps for any kind of organization. For example, we have built Microsoft Teams custom app for healthcare industry. While listening to the many clinicians, we heard their regular complaints that they have to navigate to many places and have to click many times to perform their work. To simplify their experience, we think that Microsoft Teams is a perfect fit for their requirement. So instead of building something new, we use Microsoft Teams as a robust platform for collaboration and extend their capabilities using custom apps. Using this secure platform, we can extend the capabilities of Microsoft Teams to provide the services more efficiently.